Hi, I'm Travels, and I believe that seeing the world shouldn't break the bank. Imagine wandering through ancient cities, savoring exotic foods, meeting fascinating people, all on a budget that makes it possible, not just a dream. For many, international travel feels like a luxury. But, with a little know-how and a spirit of adventure, you can experience our planet for as little as $50 a day. It's not about being cheap, it's about being smart. Let's get started on our journey to affordable adventure. Our first strategy is all about timing. Think of the most popular spots: Paris in spring, Rome in summer, then imagine them without the massive crowds and with prices slashed. This is the magic of traveling off-season. The real sweet spot is the shoulder seasons: April, May, September, October. You get pleasant weather, room to breathe in museums, and a table at charming cafes, no reservation needed. Locals are more relaxed, and the economics are undeniable. Empty airline seats and hotel rooms mean falling prices. That $50 a day budget goes further when your biggest expense, your bed, is half the price it would be in July. A stroll through a historic square feels different without the crush of people. You can hear the city, feel its rhythm. Italy or Greece in autumn brings unique festivals and culinary delights summer visitors miss. Save on big-ticket items and splurge a little on special meals or local crafts. Next trip, pull up a calendar and look at the months hugging peak season. Your affordable adventure starts there. Now that we know when to travel, let's get there without draining our bank account. Your flight is often the biggest expense, but flexibility changes the game. Be flexible with dates and destinations. Use month views and price graphs instead of fixed weekends. Set price alerts. When a deal pops, you'll know first, and you can snag it. Broaden airport searches. For London, check Gatwick, Stansted, Luton. Budget airlines use secondary airports with real savings. A short bus ride to a different departure city can mean big savings overall. Visiting Thailand? Fly into a major hub like Bangkok, then connect by low-cost flight, comfortable overnight train, or bus to your island. It routinely saves hundreds. Don't fear one-way tickets on different airlines. Sometimes two one-ways beat a round trip on price. Flight search tools make comparing easy. With a little research and flexibility, airfare becomes manageable on $50 a day. Spend a bit of time up front, save a lot of money later. That's smart travel. Flexible dates, alternate airports, price alerts, hub and spoke routes, and mix and match tickets. Stack these and win. Once you've landed, your next biggest expense is a place to sleep, but it doesn't have to cost a fortune. Look beyond traditional hotels. Embrace hostels, guest houses, B&Bs, and affordable private rooms. Today's hostels are clean, stylish, social, with dorms, private rooms, female-only options, and kitchens to cook and save. Read recent reviews. Look for cleanliness, security lockers, and helpful hosts. Hundreds of positive, recent reviews. Safe bet. Guest houses and pensions offer private rooms, a glimpse into daily life, and insider tips from your host. One mid-range hotel night can equal 3 or 4 nights in budget stays. More nights means more adventure. Embrace variety, do your research, and sleep comfortably within $50 a day. Budget accommodation isn't a downgrade, it's an upgrade to authentic travel. Prioritize reviews, safety, kitchens, and hosts who care. You've checked in. Now explore without blowing your budget. Move like a local. Embrace public transport and your own 2 feet. It's cheap, real, and reveals neighborhoods and daily rhythms. Walking is free, healthy, and intimate. You'll find the gems taxis miss. Download offline maps to avoid pricey data. A simple walking route becomes a history lesson. Europe's trains are efficient, scenic, and affordable. Book ahead or take regional lines. Across Asia and Latin America, long-distance buses are king, comfortable and cheap. Ask about 24, 48, 72-hour transit passes, usually cheaper than singles and stress-free. Navigating builds confidence and sparks connection. That's part of the adventure. So, lace up, grab a transit map, and explore like a true local. Walk more, ride smart, save big. One of travel's greatest joys is food. But 3 restaurant meals a day can devour your $50 budget. The secret: eat where the locals eat. Side streets, markets, neighborhoods. Markets are the heart. Tacos in Mexico City, banh mi in Hanoi. Authentic, beloved, and often $1 or $2. Build a picnic. Fresh bread, cheese, fruit, cured meats. Eat in a park for a fraction of a sit-down meal. In Europe and Latin America, the Menú del Día gives you a full, hearty, authentic meal at a low price. Don't underestimate supermarkets, cheap breakfasts, dinners, and sandwich or salad fixes if no kitchen. For street food, choose busy vendors, fast turnover, clean cooktops, and separate money handling. Stick to bottled or filtered water where needed. Eat cheap most days so you can splurge on one special meal you'll never forget. Markets and lunches are your best friends. Smart choices taste better. One of the most overlooked ways to save money and hassle is to pack smart and travel light. Aim for carry-on only to skip rising checked bag fees across multi-flight trips. Pack versatile, layerable pieces in neutrals, wrinkle-resistant and quick-drying, so a sink wash gets you ready by morning. Packing cubes compartmentalize and compress, one for shirts, one for socks, underwear, more space, more order. Traveling light means mobility, out of the airport fast, onto trains and buses easily, walking to your guest house comfortably. Lay out what you think you need, then be ruthless. Put half back. Choose multi-purpose items you'll re-wear. Remember, lay out all your clothes and all your money, then take half the clothes and twice the money. That's freedom, Pack less, experience more. Managing your money wisely abroad is crucial to a tight budget. Use a no foreign transaction fee credit card for big purchases and a debit card that minimizes ATM fees, ideally with reimbursements. The best travel cards have no foreign transaction fees and earn points or miles for flights and stays. Withdraw larger amounts less frequently to avoid repeated ATM fees. Use your no-fee card for accommodations, train tickets, and nicer meals. Cash for street food, markets, buses, and tips. If the terminal asks home currency or local, always choose local. Dynamic currency conversion has worse exchange rates. Let your bank convert. These small choices add up. More funds for experiences. Spend smart. Save steadily. You'll be delighted how many memorable moments are free or nearly free. Explore parks and plazas, Tiergarten, Central Park, people watch and soak up life. Admire icons from the outside and picnic beneath them. It's magic without the fee. Research free admissions. London's big museums are free. Paris offers free first Sundays. Build self-guided tours for your interests at your pace. Check event listings for free concerts, festivals, and markets. A slice of real life. In Rome, you can marvel at the Pantheon, toss a coin in Trevi, climb the Spanish Steps, and wander Borghese Gardens. No ticket required. Seek no-cost wonders. Your budget will love it. Want to travel longer for less? Work exchanges and volunteering can bring accommodation costs to zero. Offer a few hours of help each day in exchange for a place to stay, often with meals. Join trusted platforms to find gigs, hostels, gardens, childcare, even creative sailboat projects, or house sit, live in a real home, care for pets, plants, and enjoy entire apartments or villas for free. Screen hosts carefully, read reviews, clarify hours and duties, confirm living conditions and inclusions, and do a video call. It's a value exchange, not a free vacation. Save big and gain cultural immersion, community, and friendships. We've gathered strategies from cheap flights to free stays. Now let's plan and track a flexible daily budget. $50 a day is a tangible target. Break it down: accommodation, food, transport, activities. Example: $15 hostel, $15 food, $5 transport, $10 activities, $5 buffer. It's an average, not a law. Some days you'll spend $25, others $75. Let it balance out over the week. Use a simple budgeting app, log fast, review in 2 minutes before bed to stay on track. A budget is freedom from anxiety. It helps you travel longer and enjoy more. With a clear plan, you can immerse fully, adventurous, and financially sustainable. So there you have it. 10 strategies proving thoughtful. Enriching travel doesn't require a fortune, it's about perspective. Choose a local guest house over a high-rise, a bustling market over a formal restaurant, a scenic walk over a pricey taxi. These choices don't diminish. They deepen your connection to people and place. The world is a beautiful book. Don't read only one page. Travel shoulder season, pack light, eat like a local, and stretch your dollars. $50 a day isn't a gimmick. It's a key that unlocks a month where you once saw a week. Start planning, start saving, start dreaming. Your trip is closer than you think. Thanks for joining me. I'm Travels. Keep exploring and keep on traveling.